To insert an image into your slide, click on the Media dropdown and select Image. A pop-up will appear. In the Media library, you can choose from icons, search for relevant images, select backgrounds, use character GIFs, or pick from animated characters and people cutouts for professional settings. The Custom Cutout section offers animated cutouts for various professions. You can also upload image from your system and reuse previously uploaded images, and under Search, you can browse for relevant images. Lastly, the Text-to-Image feature allows you to describe an image, customize settings, and generate the image using AI. For adding interactivity on any image, click to add a link, jump to specific slides, or open a pop-up where you can customize content. To remove any interactivity, simply click Clear All Effects. In the Appearance section, you can add a shadow and border and adjust the text radius for a broader look. Under Animation, click Add Animation to set the speed, timing, and the type of animation you want.